Welcome to the enchanting world of birds. Get ready to spread your wings and take flight in our bird quiz challenge. In this adventure, we'll test your knowledge about these feathered friends. So, let's dive into the bird quiz. What is the national bird of the United States? Option A, bald eagle is the correct answer. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic a wide range of sounds, including human-made noises? The correct answer is option A, parrot. Which bird is the fastest flyer in the world? The fastest flyer in the world is peregrine falcon. What is the largest species of penguin? The correct answer is A, emperor penguin. Which bird is famous for its courtship dance, which involves elaborate tail feather displays? Peacock is the correct answer. What do you call a group of owls? Group of owls is called as parliament. Which bird species is known for its exceptional memory and navigation skills during long migrations? The correct answer is D, homing pigeon. What is the smallest flightless bird in the world? The correct answer is A, kiwi. Which bird is known for its distinctive laughing call and is native to Australia? Kookaburra is the correct answer. What is the primary diet of flamingos that gives them their distinctive pink coloration? The correct answer is C, plankton and algae. Which bird is known for its incredible ability to fly nonstop for thousands of miles during migration? The correct answer is C, bar-tailed godwit. What is the term for the process by which a bird sheds or replaces its feathers? A, molting is the correct answer. Great job! You've completed the ultimate bird quiz challenge. We hope you had fun exploring the amazing world of birds and testing your bird knowledge. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies and enjoy the beauty of our feathered friends. Thank you.